Are you feeling irritated by that windshield crack that obstructs your clear driving view? TJM Mobile Auto Glass Services in Benton City, Washington provides convenient on-site semi-truck and auto windshield replacements and repairs. That's right, our mobile service teams come to your location at a conveniently scheduled time to replace or repair your compromised auto glass. Not only is our service convenient, but it saves you time and money. No more driving to the repair shop, waiting around for the service to be performed before being able to continue on with your regular schedule. Our on-site services save all that driving around while at the same time allowing you to stay within the comfort of your home or place of work while we service your broken windshield. Call us at 509-870-0026 or visit our website at tjmmobiletruckwash.com to schedule your mobile windshield replacement or repair today.
I just had my windshield replaced by TJM Industries. Excellent service and price. Jason P.
Your windshield clarity is just a call or click away. Save time and money with our convenient mobile service and secure your appointment now. Our phone number once again is 509-870-0026. Give us a call. We have friendly operators waiting to assist with your windshield replacement or repair appointment.